The MÁVAUT-Ikarus tourist bus is one of the rarest and most fascinating vehicles in the history of Hungarian automotive design. Built in 1963, only 2 examples were ever produced. It was created by MÁ, the transport division of the Hungarian State Railways, MÁ, in collaboration with the legendary bus manufacturer Ikarus. The bus was designed for sightseeing tours, mainly for foreign visitors arriving in Hungary during the growing tourism boom of the early 1960s. The design was the work of László Finta, one of Ikarus's most renowned industrial designers. Based on the Ikarus 31 chassis, technically related to the Csepel 420 truck, the vehicle featured a completely open body, allowing passengers to enjoy panoramic views. Its sleek, boat-like shape and aerodynamically curved lines reflected the modernist spirit of the 1960s. The single entry door was placed unusually at the rear to maintain structural rigidity and provide cleaner side profiles. The bus accommodated 36 to 38 passengers, along with a driver and a guide. A particularly ingenious feature was its weather protection system. Although the bus was open, a central longitudinal frame supported a retractable Orkin fabric roof. In case of sudden rain, a crank mechanism could extend the cover in seconds, shielding passengers from the elements. The seats were made of metal frames woven with synthetic rope. About 3.3 to 4 kilometers of cord were needed to restore them decades later. Powered by a Csepel D413 diesel engine producing 85 horsepower, the MÁVAUT-Ikarus could reach up to 77 to 80 kilometers per hour, approximately 48 to 50 miles per hour. One bus operated mainly in Budapest, carrying German and Austrian tourists from Diák Square to the Buda Castle, while the other served in provincial cities like Szeged and Visegrad. By the late 1970s, both vehicles were retired, and for years they were thought lost. Remarkably, one survived, converted into a mobile beekeeping station by a Hungarian farmer. In 2006, it was rediscovered in poor condition and underwent a complete restoration lasting over a year and a half. Every missing part, from the curved windshield to the original rope seats, had to be recreated from scratch. Since 2009, the fully restored MÁVAUT-Ikarus has once again been driving Hungarian roads, now as a historic showpiece. With its striking design, rare craftsmanship, and incredible survival story, it remains a symbol of Hungary's mid-century industrial creativity and a true legend among European buses.